and welcome to Awesome Animal Ambassadors. Today we will meet an American alligator. Alligators are freshwater reptiles that feed on fish, turtles, snakes, birds, and small mammals. To tell an alligator from a crocodile, take a look at their snout. Alligators have a wide, round snout, while crocodiles have a long, thin snout with two large teeth that you can see when their mouth is closed. Female alligators are very protective mothers. They protect their young from the moment they hatch until they are about 2 years old, when they are big enough to fend for themselves. If you want to help protect these animals, be a knowledgeable shopper. Make sure to double check what you are buying and what material they are made from, to reduce purchasing products that are made from alligators, such as belts, hats, and purses. Thank you for watching Awesome Animal Ambassadors. Join in next week to meet another awesome animal.